Right, how to make a door for a shed. One that fits perfect every time. As you can see, I've got 3 hinges on there already. So if we just take the first middle hinge, that will open up like that. And so will the top one and that one done. So where I'm at now is we need 3 cross members, which is this here. So what you do is you come inside the shed and you screw up a temporary flat bit along there. And as you can see, I've screwed through here. So what you do is you screw through your top bit along there, leaving it 10mm from there, leaving it 10mm from there. And I'm not going to show you now, but you'll do the same with the middle and the same with the bottom. Then what you do is you've got your uprights marked out. Down the bottom there, you've got a 5mm sliver. So you rest it on top of the 5mm, you push it in there like that, you do the hinges out like that, and then you screw through here, through there, which goes straight through to the cross member. And then so on, pick your second bit up there, you'll do the same, you'll slide it in, lifting it off the bit. And that's how you do it. And then when you've got sort of like halfway through, climb yourself inside, undo the supports from the inside and open up the door and complete the rest. I'll show you step by step photos as I go. Thanks for watching and follow for more tips.